Hi and welcome to module 1.6 where we're talking about fractions, part 4, multiplications and divisions. We start off with multiplications. Let's just say we had 1/3 times by 1/5. All we have to do is times the 1 by the 1, which gives you 1, and a 3 by the 5, which is 15. And you look, can you cancel this even more? No? Then that's the answer. 1/15. Do some more. 2/3 times by 1/7. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 7 is 21. Can it be cancelled even more? No. That's your answer. Let's do 4/5 times by 15/16. Watch carefully. We have covered this before. This is called cross cancelling. 4 goes into 4 once and goes into 16 4 times. 5 goes into 5 once and goes into 15 3 times. So 1 times 3 is 3 and 1 times 4 is 4, and that's your answer. That's the quickest way of doing fractions, multiplication of fractions. Now what happens if we have to do mixed numbers? Move that to one side. So for example 1/5 multiplied by 2/6. I'm using my mobile phone because my iPad is not working correctly. 1 times 5, we're going to convert this to top heavy. So 1 times 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6/5. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13/6. Can we cross cancel? Yes, we can. 6 goes into 6 once. Goes into 6 once. This you can't cross cancel. So it'll be 1 times 13, which is 13. 5 times 1, which is 5. We don't leave the answer in top heavy format. So what do we do in this situation? We don't leave the answer in top heavy format. We have to convert this top heavy format into a mixed number. So you've guessed it, 5 goes into 13 twice with a remainder of 3/5. How do you check it? 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, that's the end of the fractions, multiplications. Now we do divisions. If I had 1/6 divided by 1/2, it is the same as saying 1/6 times by 2/1. What's the difference? This is 1/2. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1. Reciprocal means swapping. This denominator becomes the numerator, and this numerator becomes the denominator. So it's a swap. But when you swap it, you also have to swap the division sign into a multiplication sign. So this is a very important point. When you do divisions or fractions, all you do is switch the second half of the fraction, make it reciprocal, so basically make the denominator numerator, numerator denominator, just swapping it, and swapping this division symbol to a multiplication symbol. Does that make sense? Hence 1/6 times by 2/1 is 2/6, which is equal to 1/3. You must cancel it. We'll do some more examples. Here, 2/3 divided by 1/2. So swapping it becomes 2 over 1. Makes sense? So 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 1 is 3. So the answer is, how many 3's go into 4? 1 with a remainder of 1 over 3. Does that make sense? Here, let's try another one. Let's do a mixed fraction. First thing you do is convert to top heavy. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5 over 3. Now we're going to times it. So first work this out. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 9 over 5. But we're going to swap it around. So it becomes 5 over 9. Now 5 times 5 is 25. So put it here. 3 times 9 is 27. Can you cancel it even more? No. So the answer is 25 over 27. We do one more and then we're done for the day. Let's do 2 over 5 divided by... I'm making all this up as I go along. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11 over 5. We have to make it top heavy. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 1 is 8 over 7, but we're going to make a reciprocal of this, becomes 7 over 8. Look, can we do cross cancellations? No. 11 times 7 is 77. 5 times 8 is 40. How many 40s go into 77? It goes in once with a remainder of 37 over 40. And there you have it. Fraction multiplication and divisions. They're more simpler to do than addition and subtraction. So just practice, 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 and get ready for your tests. Bye.